Hello everyone, welcome back to this new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how to add ing at the end of verbs. Okay, so when we use and when we add ing at the end of the verbs. Okay, so this is very important concept here. So you have heard about present participle. Present participle means ing form, and you can also say it's a progressive form, progressive verbs also. Okay, so before starting this lesson, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, you need to understand when we use or when we add ing format. Okay, so you have heard about continuous form. Continuous. Continuous means progressive. Progressive. Okay. So progressive, or you can also say present participle. Okay, present participle. Okay. So for example, writing or listening or playing, eating. These are all present participle concept here. Okay, and you can say fourth form of verbs. Okay, so how to add? And here are some important rules for add ing at the end of the verbs. Okay, so let's learn here. First rule: for most verbs, simply add ing. This is our first rule. This rule also work on adding s or es at the end of verbs. Okay, this is most common rule. Okay, so for most verbs, simply add ing. Okay, so if the verbs end in a consonant or vowel without special rule, just add ing. Okay, example here, like play. It makes playing. Work, it makes working. Help, it makes helping. Okay, so you simply add ing, and just you found a present participle form. Okay, so next rule here, this is our first rule, very simple, you can easily understand. Next rule here: drop final e and add ing. Drop final e and add ing. Just okay, if the verb end in a silent I, if the verb ends in a silent I, okay, then drop the I before adding ing. If the verb ends in a silent I, and drop the I before adding ing. Okay, example, make. If you want to add ing to the make, okay, then it makes making. Here make ends with a silent I. Okay, make ends in a silent e. Okay, so here e is a silent e, silent word. Then we drop e. Okay, we drop e, then add ing, and we added ing. Okay, next, right. Okay, at the end e is a silent word. Okay, in right e is a silent word. Okay, then drop e, we dropped e, just add ing. It makes writing come. Come e is a silent word in the final. Okay, So we drop e, just add ing. It makes coming. Come to coming, write to writing, make to making. Okay, you understand this concept? Okay, examples here. If the verbs end in double e, ye, oe, keep the final e. This is, here are some examples also. Okay, so you understand, you need to understand. Drop I, final e, when I drop the e, when final e, when silent. Okay, so here if the verbs end in double e, ye or oe, keep the final e also. Okay, so here agree, agree. So here agree. So here double e is not silent word. Okay, silent word. So or also double e here. So we need to add ing simply. So it makes agreeing. Next, die, ye, die. Okay, so here there are no any silent word, so we need to add simply ing. So it makes dying. Okay, so let's move on next rule. Next rule here, third rule, double the final consonant and ing, and add ing. Double the final consonant and add ing. So here, if the verbs has one syllable and with consonant and has single vowel before it, double the final consonant before adding ing. Okay, example here. So run, run, run is a verb. Okay, so at the end here a consonant. Consonant is n, and before consonant here a vowel. Vowel u. Then you know, double the final consonant before adding ing when the consonant has a single vowel before it. Single vowel before it. Only single vowel before it. Here only a single vowel u before consonant. So we double final word n. So double word, we made double word n and just add ing. It makes running like this, like t before t, I is a vowel, so just double t, just add ing. It makes sitting, sit to, sitting, get. Here before t, e is a vowel, so just double t, end word t, consonant. You know, t is a consonant, or before consonant here one single vowel, so just double t and add ing. Get to, getting. Okay, so note here, do not double consonant if the final consonant is wx or y. Do not double the consonant if the final word consonant is wx or y. Okay, here fix, x before x, a vowel here. Okay, vowel is I, but you know x. So you know when end word is w, x or y, then we do not double end consonant. So x, note here, this is a very important note. So just add ing. Fix to, fixing. It makes fixing. Play. So before y here, you know, end word y is a consonant, but it's a node. You must remember this node. Okay, so wxy, so before y also a vowel, but we do not double end word. Okay, so just add y. So play to, playing, play to, play, fixing to, fix to, fixing, play to, playing. Okay, next, fourth rule here, for verbs ending in ie, change ie to y, add ing. Okay, so this concept made with SOES rules also. Okay, so it's reversal rule. Okay, so for verbs ending in ie, change ie to y, add ing. Okay, so if the ends In IE, change IE to Y before adding ing. Example here, lie. Here end word IE. For adding ing, you need to change IE to Y. It makes lying. Okay, die. End word IE. You need to add ing, but before adding ing, you need to change IE to Y. Okay, IE to Y. It makes dying. Okay, die to dying, lying to lying. Okay, so you understand this fourth rule. Okay, let's move on next rule. Our next and last rule here for adding ing. Okay, for verbs ending in C, add K before ing. Okay, so if for verbs ending in C and add K before adding ing. Okay, so picnic, picnic here. So picnic. Now you are confusing here. Before C is a consonant, here a vowel I, and our second rule, you have heard about our third rule here. Third rule, okay, double final consonant when adding ing. Okay, when a single vowel word. So this rule, third rule is not working here, because here one where only a one single where was only one single vowel, but here double I and next A. So here two vowel before a consonant, two vowel. Okay, so third rule is not working here. Okay, so just think about this fifth rule. Okay, so C at the C add in the word. Okay, so just add K, picnic, just add K and add ing. Okay, here C consonant, before consonant a vowel, two vowel here. So here are also not working third rule. Okay, so mimic plus K, add K and just ing. So mimic to mimicking, picnic to picnicking. Okay, so guys, you understand these are fifth rule to add ing end of the verbs. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, write in the comment box and I will give you reply definitely. So if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel. So see you in my next video very soon.